There is a silent factor behind energy, strength, recovery, and even how the body ages over time. It is not a trend, it is not a shortcut, it is protein. Every movement, every repair process, every moment of physical or mental effort relies, directly or indirectly, on adequate protein intake. Yet in modern nutrition, protein is often misunderstood. Some approaches exaggerate it, others ignore its quality entirely. But the real question is not just how much protein is being consumed, the real question is where is that protein coming from? Because the source determines far more than just numbers. It determines how the body absorbs it, how it is used, and what additional nutrients come with it. This is a deep exploration of the most effective natural protein sources, explained clearly, practically, and without unnecessary complexity. By the way, let us know in the comments which country you're watching from so we can see who's most interested in these topics. Understanding protein foundation. Protein is made up of amino acids. Some of these amino acids are essential, meaning the body cannot produce them on its own and must obtain them from food. High-quality protein sources provide these amino acids in balanced proportions, but protein does not work alone. It interacts with vitamins, minerals, fats, and carbohydrates, forming a complete nutritional picture. That is why natural sources often outperform isolated or processed options. They deliver not just protein but context. These are the most powerful sources of protein. Watch until the end to discover them all, especially since there are two foods on this list that are often overlooked and underrated, yet they work wonders. 1. Eggs. Eggs represent one of the most efficient protein sources available. They contain all essential amino acids in proportions that closely match the body's needs. This makes them highly bioavailable, meaning the body can use them effectively without unnecessary waste. But the value of eggs goes beyond protein. They contain choline, a nutrient involved in brain and nervous system function. They also provide fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin D, which is not commonly found in many foods. Another important aspect is satiety. Meals that include eggs tend to promote a longer-lasting feeling of fullness. This can help regulate overall food intake throughout the day without requiring strict control. Eggs are also highly adaptable. They can be part of breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They can be combined with vegetables, whole grains, or eaten on their own. Simple, efficient, consistent. 2. Chicken. Chicken is widely used because it offers a balance between protein density and practicality. It provides lean protein, especially when consumed without skin, making it suitable for those aiming to maintain or manage body composition. The protein in chicken supports muscle maintenance and general tissue repair, but its advantage lies in flexibility. Chicken can be seasoned, grilled, baked, or incorporated into a wide variety of dishes without requiring complex preparation. It also pairs well with vegetables and whole grains, making it easy to build balanced meals. From a nutritional perspective, it provides protein without excessive additional components, keeping meals clean and structured. 3. Salmon. Salmon is not just a protein source, it is a nutritional combination. It provides high-quality protein alongside omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are essential and must be obtained through diet. Omega-3s are commonly associated with supporting heart function and normal brain activity. This dual benefit makes salmon particularly valuable. Instead of choosing between protein and healthy fats, salmon delivers both in one food. It also contains vitamin D and other micronutrients that contribute to overall balance. When included regularly, salmon becomes more than a meal, it becomes a consistent nutritional support. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt stands out because of how it is processed. It is strained to remove excess liquid, resulting in a thicker texture and a higher concentration of protein. This makes it more filling and nutritionally dense compared to regular yogurt. It also contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support the digestive system. A balanced gut environment contributes to better nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Greek yogurt can be consumed alone or combined with fruits, nuts, or grains. It fits easily into both simple and structured eating patterns. 5. Lentils. Lentils represent one of the most powerful plant-based protein. May require combination with other foods to achieve a complete amino acid profile, lentils still play a critical role. They are affordable, accessible, and adaptable across many cuisines. 6. Beans. Beans are often underestimated. They provide protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates in one source. This makes them particularly effective for sustained energy. Unlike refined foods that digest quickly, beans release energy gradually. They also support digestive health due to their fiber content. Different types of beans, black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, offer slightly different nutrient profiles, adding variety to meals. 7. Almonds. Almonds combine protein with healthy fats. This combination slows digestion, leading to more stable energy and prolonged satiety. They also provide vitamin E, which plays a role in protecting cells from oxidative stress. While almonds are calorie-dense, they are also nutrient-dense. This means small amounts can provide meaningful nutritional value. Their portability makes them one of the most practical protein-supporting snacks. 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein. Unlike fast-digesting proteins, casein is absorbed slowly. This results in a gradual release of amino acids over time. This makes cottage cheese particularly useful in situations where sustained nourishment is beneficial. It also contains calcium and other nutrients that support overall health. Its mild flavor allows it to be combined with both sweet and savory foods. 9. Tuna. Tuna is one of the simplest protein sources available. It provides high-quality protein with minimal preparation required. It is also low in fat, making it suitable for balanced eating patterns. Canned tuna in particular offers convenience and accessibility. It can be stored, prepared quickly, and combined with other foods easily. This simplicity makes it a consistent option in many diets. 10. Quinoa. Quinoa is unique among plant foods. It is considered a complete protein, meaning it contains all essential amino acids. This makes it especially valuable in plant-based diets. It also provides fiber, magnesium, and other important nutrients. Its texture and versatility allow it to replace or complement grains like rice. 11. Turkey. Turkey is another lean protein source similar to chicken. It provides high-quality protein with relatively low fat content. It also contains nutrients such as selenium and B vitamins. Turkey can be used in various forms, from whole cuts to ground meat. Its mild flavor makes it easy to integrate into meals. 12. Tofu. Tofu is made from soybeans and offers a plant-based protein option. It contains essential amino acids and can absorb flavors from other ingredients. This makes it highly adaptable. It can be grilled, fried, baked, or blended into dishes. Its flexibility allows it to fit into many different dietary styles. 13. Milk. Milk provides both protein and essential nutrients. It contains whey and casein proteins, offering both fast and slow digestion. This dual structure supports both immediate and sustained protein needs. Milk also provides calcium, supporting bone health. It can be consumed alone or used as a base for other foods. 14. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a compact source of protein. They also provide minerals such as magnesium and zinc. These nutrients play roles in various bodily functions. Their size makes them easy to include in meals or snacks. Despite being small, they contribute meaningfully to daily nutrition. 15. Dates with nuts. Dates alone are primarily a source of natural sugars. However, when combined with nuts, they create a balanced nutritional profile. This combination provides energy, protein, and healthy fats. It is a practical alternative to processed snacks. It also reflects how traditional diets often combine foods for balance. Now that you've learned about these protein sources, let us know in the comments which one you consume the most. Protein is not about extremes. It is not about consuming as much as possible. It is about choosing the right sources consistently. Natural foods provide more than protein. They provide structure, balance, and long-term sustainability. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Individual protein needs vary depending on personal factors such as age, activity level, and health status. Consulting a qualified healthcare professional is recommended for personalized guidance. Strong nutrition is not built overnight. It is built through repetition, through daily choices that seem small but accumulate over time. And among those choices, protein remains one of the most essential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family. And let us know in the comments which protein source you use the most. Let's spread this valuable knowledge to everyone.